This Phantom wallet, $2.3 million, and not a single dollar came from trading meme coins. All I did was launch meme coins over and over with the right setup. If you are tired of watching others win, lock in. I'm breaking down how I did it from scratch. Every time I aped into a new meme coin, I ended up holding the bag, or worse, getting basically rug pulled. It was the same cycle: green candles, hype, and then zero liquidity. The turning point? Realizing the people making money weren't traders. They were the ones launching the coins. When you launch, you are not reacting to anything. You are creating it. You control the rules, the timing, and all the profits. And here's the kicker. When you launch, you have nothing to lose. You can't lose. There is no entry point because you set the price. But if you keep trading other people's coins, you will lose every single time. Bitcoin's pumping and Solana is on fire, if you guys didn't know. Now is the perfect moment to start flipping sides, and I'll show you how. By the way, this video does not constitute financial advice, so please don't copy me. Pump.Fun is overcrowded. Simple as that. New coins flood in non-stop, and yours gets buried in minutes. You're launching into chaos, and with zero control. You cannot tweak the settings, you cannot pull profits out when you need them, you can't even manage your own liquidity. That's why I stopped using this site. With tokens.io though, your coin launches straight to Raydium, and it's instantly graduated. That means it shows up live right away with real visibility and traffic. You control the launch, the supply, and the liquidity. Everything is in your hands. If you actually want your project to gain traction, this is where you do it. Now, when you are ready to launch on tokens.io, you've got two solid choices, and both are beginner friendly. First, you can create your own from scratch. Pick something viral. Maybe it's a trending meme, a joke on crypto Twitter, or some cultural moment everyone's talking about. Give it a name, a symbol, and upload an image for the logo, and just like that, you are ready to launch your coin from scratch. But the second method, that's my go-to, and the one that's made me the most amount of money possible. It's called the copy trending coins. It posts high traffic tokens directly from Pump.Fun, the ones that are already popping off and getting volume. You click the copy and boom, it relaunches the coin onto Raydium instantly. And here's the edge: because these coins already have attention and momentum, your version gets real buyers from the jump. Just like this one right here. It was launched on the Raydium DEX, which means faster flips and higher profits. So if you want to go slow and start fresh, if you want speed and volume, go with the second method. But anyways, let's stop yapping, launch a coin, and actually make some money. So first of all, connect your wallet. It's that simple. Refresh list. And then we're gonna look for something juicy to copy. I think I'm gonna go with the kitten hug. It has a $24.5 thousand market cap and 86 replies. I'm gonna create coin. Your Phantom wallet should pop up. You will get a warning. It's completely normal. Just ignore it like everyone else. Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created shortly. Just be a bit patient. It should. Yes sir, boom! View on SoScan, and you guys can see that it's officially live on the blockchain, so it is legit. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. So on this page, it is pretty simple. Basically, we are just adding the liquidity into the pool to make it like tradable, so that it can pop up on MemeScope and on the graduate section, and people can actually trade it. So here, select your coin. Token B, leave that as it is. It's just your Phantom wallet. Amount token A, click on 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool. For the amount token B, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'm gonna do like, I don't know, 0.4 Sol, but just for context, this is the first initial buy inside the coin. So you are the first buyer, and you have the opportunity to buy inside your own coin. You are not losing this money since you are getting back later after you remove the liquidity. And now crit on crit pool. And by the way, you are not losing this money. then click on confirm. After that, you can simply click on refresh. And then if you scroll down, boom, the kitten hug coin is now live. And as you guys can see, right here, the P&L, so the profit and loss, it's at $0 obviously. But if you simply click on refresh once again, you guys can see that the profits are at $159 within like a couple seconds, so people are actively buying in the coin. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, and boom, it's live. Just give it a bit of seconds for it to load. Come on. Okay, these are late buys. Let's go. Okay, so we're actively getting buys. Let me go on full screen for you guys for better visuals. Okay, $10, $20, $40. We're at a $1.4 thousand, $1.6K market cap, 1.1 thousand in liquidity. Now all we have to do is sit back, watch the buys roll in, and yeah, bro, enjoy the time lapse. I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I know it hasn't been too long because, I'm kind of busy, I got stuff to do, but now it's time to cash out profits. We're at a $2.3 thousand market cap, and obviously it is in an uptrend, so if I had to wait longer, it would be at like 5K, 10K, but yeah, whatever. Come back to the site, and then we're gonna refresh first of all. And as you guys can see, we are up $1.7 thousand with a $2.2 thousand market cap, which is really not bad, to be honest. But now, to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. Then, and as you guys can see, we're gonna receive like 9, so click on confirm. And boom, we just removed the complete liquidity. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom! That's like 8.9 so directly inside my Phantom wallet, which is like $1.6 thousand, but it does fluctuate a lot obviously.